Lit the beer bottle, rattled on my pistol, on the seat of my Chevy pickup truck. I'm taking these gravel roads fast as my truck will go. I'm running like a scared white-tailed buck. It was all night car game with Ray and Bobby, and so my boy they work with fun. That boy didn't like me, they said I was cheap. So gunshots rang on the midnight air. Don't wanna see the daylight, so my Becky's alone tonight. What if she's waiting up for me? I'm gonna hide it in the bottom where I hunted deer and turkey, out in that swamp like the back of my hand. Hell, I was born and raised here, wanted to be a good old boy, never thought I'd be a wanted man. Soon they're gonna catch me, ain't no way around that, 'cause I don't know any other place to hide. I wonder if Becky's Bible is still in the glove box, 'cause I'm sure gonna need it if that boy died. Don't wanna see the daylight, 'cause my Becky's alone tonight. I wonder if she's waiting up for me. Sometime tomorrow morning, when I'll be fishing, I'll be hauling me in. I'll be sitting in the jailhouse, no need to be wishing I'll fish that Green River again. I'll be paying for some daylight, 'cause my Becky's alone tonight. I wonder if she's waiting for me.